Guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Mana cameras akulu ndaisetsa ndithu to get out of this guy kuti tipeze namba yake komabe namba yake ndithu inativuta. Nkulu ameneyu andithu kunali Mademo ku Blantyre komanso akuti next akhala ku Lilongwe. Therefore koma nkhani ikulu ndiyo kuti anthu munapempha namba yake kuti mulumikizane naye komano za nambalazo zapezeka kuti at least zavutabe. Ineyo ndithu ndinayesesa komabe still I'm trying kuti tipeze namba yake komanso zonse. Anyway, Mademo mmene anaendera alongosola mno wake komanso ali ndi kudandaula. Amene mungafunenso kuti mumpeze bwinobwino pa TikTok yake analemba kuti ati mom's son mamo inene ngatowa mai mom's son 4. Amene ndithu mom's son 4. Yeah, ndi mwina mtha kumpeza amene ndithu kuti mwina wake zina ndi zina takukambirana kwa amene mfuna kujoina. Mwabe ine ndikuyesabe kuti ndipeze namba yake kuti gulu limene lingafune kuti likaende nawo ma demonstrations za Traore ndiye kuti zabwinobwino. Guys, thank you so much Malawi and cameras ndeti kupasiteni zinthuzo.
Captain Traore, American President of Burkina Faso. Viva Traore, viva! Viva!
Malawi, we are fighting for change, and we need to fight for change for us to be prosperous. One thing I've learned here in Malawi njuna zokuti anthu timafuna zinthu zokupshaipsha. Timafuna tione chinthu imenechi ndi benefit pompo koma sitimaona benefit ya msogolo. Ndanena zifukwa chani. I came here with an issue zokuti tipange advocate for one Africa, the United Sovereign States of Africa, komanso like being in solidarity with President Traore. If you scrolled in my comment section, the comments were overwhelming. Komanso, the people who are coming to my inbox were overwhelming. Of which some of them were like 100% into it. And some have walked with me all the way, starting from the press conference and up to the time that we have done the demonstrations. Now, I'm going to be with you. Mademo akangochitika, I'll be the first one to be there. Hey, ife tizakhatiri kumeneko. Hey, tikufunika ma demonstration. Hey, Malawi awina kutsegula maso. Komano wa Malawi tangojuka ma motivational speakers. Timafuna anthu ena akazitipangira zinthu ife tizingokhala yang'anira ndikumachemerera. So, whenever I'm recording a video here, I don't need your good no good idea. I don't need my likes. Okay, previous videos yes, I was looking for likes. One of this time around I'm advocating, but you're serious. And when I'm coming here, it's not like I'm coming here to look for the comments, to look for the likes. No, what I'm coming here for is to spread the message. As long as issue kukuza the United Sovereign States of Africa, it's a serious thing. And it's a very serious thing. Ndiye tilindi vuto makamakaji nyamata ku Malawi. We need change, we don't want to be part of the change. How are we going to experience change? We forget that we're growing up. Yes, we're growing up. And we are going to face the same things our parents faced. So time is now. This is the moment to have the energy. As we grow energy to sing college most, and this is the time we should fight for our Malawi, our Africa. So if we just sit aside and say, hey, mani, mguita mani, hey, we dolo kwambiri, hey, we, I'm with you, I say, hey, bro, you dolo. No, man. You also need dolo. Take part. Do something. You are an instrument for change. I'm surprised, zimene zizi and timas gonna part. Then as many just because of the many anima demonstrations, many demonstrations that you Blantyre, see many and to yes, the problem is I don't care about the numbers. I don't care about the numbers. Koma, what I'm worried of, what I'm worried for, not everybody was busy. Not everyone is busy. Thank God, I was willing to do it even on my own. There were people who spent their money. I also used my money, of course, to organize such things. And there are people who know, like we just met here. Since they were not even available, they are far away. They are from Lilongwe, from Zuzu. From Blantyre, I don't think they actually there were some people who showed support, maybe just 3. And support, I guess we would know. Yeah, they showed support. We are meeting. We just meeting. We discuss, then we go. So how are we expecting change? Now the other problem we have are my media houses are too. You are so selective. You are selective. This thing is so important. This thing is for your own good, for my own good, for our own good. You fail to help us on this. Why am I saying this? Previously, we had a press conference in Lilongwe. We invited many radio stations. Actually, how many radio stations did we invite? 1, 2, not radio stations, only radio stations, TV stations as well. We had probably, I should mention the major ones. The major ones, we had 4 major broadcasting houses representatives. Koma amene anapanga posting kani. It's just 1. Going on so in a little paki. Amene anapanga posting kani. Ni mozi yosu ndo anajira kubwera mochedwa. Nkani yesu anaimva. Suri fedajira umwirana. Ena despite unajira ukaitana. Kuma nothing happened. We want to take them. Tinakatenga. So if you're not even being part of a change, being a journalist doesn't mean you should be doing politicians or this is one. And next time you look for this thing, you look for this development you're not recognizing. So I'm allowed. We have more to do, and we need to open our eyes. Nobody's going to change our nation, our continent. It's us. And no, you don't know your capability. You don't know your possibilities. You have to know we're not listening to any possibility of the bangas mineso. And this means you when kuzitenga deep down. And shout out to my guys aku Lilongwe, my guys aku Mzuzu. You guys maonesa effort kuposa kwa watu mene ni makala. And some guys from Mangochi, yes. From where I stay, oh man, I don't know. So Lilongwe, we are coming for you. Lilongwe, we are also coming to hold demonstrations. Demonstrations Lilongwe. I know the turnout will be huge and Lilongwe sima kumudisa. Even the press conference, the way the guys received us as if we met before. And I'm expecting Lilongwe come at demonstration. Of course, but demonstration because if we submitted the petition. Thank you very much. I know the video is long. It's okay. It's okay. I had more to say. One of the videos too long.